You see, this is why I did a new mic. It's frustrating, you know, saying all this stuff and it doesn't record. Oh my god. Hello there, my name is Terry. I am a vlogger and I like to make videos about vlogging so you guys can do the same thing. So I'll be heading to Bali in a couple of days and I thought, why not just show you guys what I'm gonna bring over to Bali? Because how can I miss this chance to do a travel vlog, you know? So first of all, I just want to say I will probably bring two bags. One which is my actual camera bag and other one is a normal everyday bag, so I don't have to look like that I'm going for a photography or videography shoot every single time. So let's get into it. So first off, I'm going to start off with my bags. This is the PGY Tech 1 Gold Lead 22 liter. So for this backpack, I'm not going to be using it over there every single day. It's more like for me to carry it across and back on the plane. By the way, there will be a fair bit of PGY Tech items in this video, and most of them were all sent by them for free except for their Mantis pod, which I've been using it forever. Just want to put that out up front. I chose this bag because I wanted something that I can use every single day while I'm in Australia and doesn't look too nerdy but still can carry all the stuff that I want. And I feel like this 22 liter 1 Go Light fits what I need. So when you open it up, the bottom part you can fit a camera body, probably a few other lenses and some accessories, and at the back here you can slide in your laptop over there. I think it fits a 14 to 16 inch. I'm not too sure about this. I have to double check. And there's still a bit of a room up the top where you can fill other things in. Right now I've got like my notebook and Mantis pod and other cables and all that stuff. Like on the side here, I can put in my tripod or water bottle if I want to. I'm not too sure right now whether I'm gonna bring my tripod, but it's something good to have. And also on this side, there is a quick access to your camera body, which is really nice. I'm not sure if all camera bags have this because this is my first ever proper camera bag except for the sling bag. But yeah, I think it's really good to have. But I guess the only downside that I can see is it doesn't have any lock. I think for my other backpack, I really love how it has like similar to a lock on the luggage, which I found it gives me that sense of safety. Like I don't have to worry about things gonna get cracked open and get stolen. Also, I really love this big handle. It feels very durable. Even when I fill my backpack with everything, like I can easily carry it with that. And doesn't feel like it's gonna drop onto the ground and break everything. Of course, you can put your camera clip in the front, which is very useful if you want quick access to your camera. The other bag, I'll talk about it later on. But yeah, moving on to camera. Of course, I'll be bringing what I'm shooting right now, which is the Sony 6700. This is my only mirrorless camera, so it will always be in my inventory, especially I want to shoot something a bit more serious like a vlog. But yeah, I think I still enjoy shooting with this the most at the moment out of all the stuff that I own. And then we got the Pocket 3. I'm bringing this on because yeah, I'm traveling with my partner and I like to use this sometimes. It just makes things easier. Let's say if you're going to a restaurant or something, maybe this will come in a bit handy rather than having a whole mirrorless camera just sticking there while everyone's watching. But yeah, to be honest, I don't know where we're going. I didn't participate in the planning at all. But yeah, having this, I can just like slide it in my pocket or anything in a tiny bag, which you can't really do it with a mirrorless camera. Also, I bought this cage, which has a magnet in the back, so I can place it on more places when I like to vlog, because I don't really have that many accessories for the Pocket 3, so this should be quite handy. Also, I'll be bringing the Ace Pro 2 as an action camera this time, since I've already got like two vlogging cameras. The weather forecast says it's going to be raining throughout the whole week. Having this is probably the best choice since it's pretty waterproof. I brought this to me to City to Surf, which is one of the racing events in Sydney. It was pouring that day. The whole camera was all wet, but still working fine. Everything's okay. And if we're gonna do some active activities, these will 100% come in handy. Next up, it will be the lenses. Well, I mean, I'll most likely be bringing this Sony 11mm f1.8, something I've been wanting for a long time. I finally picked it up. I'm probably gonna test it in the next couple of days just to make sure this is something that I want to bring along, because the main problem with my Sony 10-18 is the f4 focal length, which gets pretty dark indoor, especially with my ND filter, which starts at 3 stops. I can't really use it in an indoor environment while having that ND filter on, but with this at 1.8, I'm sure it will do way better. Because right now I'm using the Sigma 18-50 at 2.8. You see it's a bit dark already since it's a cloudy day. So having this will definitely help. Probably the major thing is it doesn't have zoom, but yeah, keen to see what it can do in low light situation. Actually, you know what? I might just try it out right now. Let's look. Whoa, what the hell? Oh my God, loving it already. This is at f2.8. Let's go. 1.8. Well, now I'm like super close to the camera to get the same effect. Okay, maybe a little bit brighter. Well, of course, my other lens is going to be the Sigma 18-50. It's been my favorite lens since I've started using it. I've heard a lot of good things about it, especially for traveling. Probably the best bang for the buck for a travel lens. So yeah, super keen to use this to capture some cinematic, really nice footage with that. Next up, let's talk tripod. Of course, men's pod is something that I cannot live without, especially when I travel. It helps so much. I can set it into so many different angles. If you've been following my channel, you know how much I rave about this. 100% a must. And this time I've been thinking about bringing a proper tripod because I'm hoping to do something a bit more intentional. Maybe like even a spec ad for the places that we go to, just to have some fun, or hopefully in the future I can land some client work with what I produce, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I think it depends on how much stuff I'll be bringing, whether I could be bothered bring all this gear, to be honest. If I'm gonna bring, I'll be bringing what I'm shooting on right now, which is the Tree Root by Ulanzi. So this tripod was sent by Ulanzi, but this is the backstory. So I got the Glide Go JJ06, and one day I was trying to shoot some footage at the Opera House, Sydney Harbour Bridge. There was a few times that the tripod almost tipped over. Yeah, so I made some comments about that tripod, and Ulanzi saw it and asked me whether I wanted any alternatives, like a sturdier one. So I was like, yeah, why not? Just give it a try. And then I went with the Tree Root, and so far it's been okay, but okay, I haven't used it outdoor yet, but just by the build, it felt a bit more sturdy. So yeah, I'm kind of keen to bring it along with me, but we'll find out. Next part, it will be the mic. So I just bought this Sony ECM-B10. I'll be bringing this along. It's apparently a really good mic for vlogging. I've been looking for a shotgun mic recently because sometimes it's quite annoying to always have to mount a wireless mic on you when you try to vlog. And I'm a forgetful person. Just like in the beginning, I forgot to turn on the receiver again, which is kind of a pain, you know? So with this mic, I don't have to worry about turning on the mic. Once it's connected, it's always on, I think. Plus, if there's more than one people around, I can capture everyone's voice rather than just my own and then can't really hear the other person what they're saying. Also, I don't need to worry about the battery running out. But yeah, I'll still bring my DJI mics for backup or whenever I need to shoot, maybe from afar. So yeah, you know what? Should we test this out? I think we should, even though I don't know how to use it yet. I just want to make sure I have the best setting so it captures the best sound quality. You know what? I'll just leave it after this. Next is my computer, which is the MacBook Pro M4 14-inch. Everything lives on there. I do everything on this. I'll probably be doing some light work whenever I have the time. I'll try to edit everything before I go, since I'm working for myself now. If I'm not working, that means I don't have any income. So just in case, if I need anything. But it's always good to do some light work, even just for 10 minutes to keep that momentum going. My hard drive, all my things live on this. I've been thinking to get like a portable one, so it doesn't break. Accessories, I'll be bringing this Create Mate card reader in storage. Super useful. Also from PGY Tech, has this rubber outer, makes it a bit more rugged. And we got the camera strap from Peak Design, along with, I don't know what this is called, yeah, but this is from Falcon. So what's good about it is I can just put this on, say this is my camera and I have my plate on, I can just slide into there, and then but I need to quickly take out my camera and shoot, I can just release it. And super handy, and you don't have this thing dangle around your camera, on your camera. I don't really like that, so I think this is a better option. And then of course you got this camera clip, which is, this one's from PGY Tech. Previously I had the Peak Design one. The reason that I switched is not very compatible with other plates. I think it's only compatible with just like 2 other brands, whereas this one you have more options. And I feel like that clip, it loosens up because it has this screw in mechanism, and when I take my camera on and off, it starts to get loose sometimes. I haven't really tested this, but so far I feel like this has a better design. This is the version 1. I didn't really like the version 2 because I don't know, it just didn't feel secure. But yeah, I'll see how it goes. I don't know, I haven't read the menu, maybe I'm doing it wrong. Yeah, for now, I think I'll just stick with this one, version 1. So for my everyday bag, I will be bringing this messenger bag that I bought from Japan. Super massive, I think, and it has a really cool design. Well, I mean, it's very simple, but it looks really good how it goes on your body. I think it's just perfect. I'm gonna try to put this sling bag as a camera insert, so I don't need to get another one. But actually, I haven't tried it. Let me try it now, see if that works. Yeah, not bad at all. Like with the sling bag, I can still keep everything intact. So I got this idea from Peacekeeper. I think I saw one of his videos that where he puts his camera insert in like a normal everyday bag, and yeah, shout out to him. And yeah, so that's all for this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Alright, I'm gonna figure out how I'm gonna use the shotgun mic. Bye. Hey, what's going on? My name's Terry. I am a vlogger officially now with this shotgun mic.